Welcome to Wisconsin DMV's online driver license application, where you can renew your driver license, complete your road test waiver to obtain your probationary license, and order a replacement license or instruction permit. Before you begin the online application, make sure you meet the license requirements and have the following items ready: your Wisconsin driver license number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or your full social security number if you don't have your Wisconsin driver license number available, your date of birth, your email address, your zip code, and a valid credit or debit card. If you're under the age of 18, adult sponsorship will be required. You will be asked to provide your adult sponsor information, including their driver license or ID card number. Click Begin Online Driver License Application to get started. Provide the information requested on screen, verify you're not a robot, and click Next. Select the product or service option of your choice. If you're under the age of 18, adult sponsorship is required. Enter your sponsor information, including sponsor driver license or ID number, and certification of applicant driving experience. Then click Next. Verify your address or update it if needed. Then click Next. Indicate if you would like to register to be an organ and tissue donor. Donate $2 to organ, tissue, and eye donation efforts, and show your veteran status on your driver license if eligible. Then click Next. Enter your email address. Indicate if you would like WisDOT to withhold your name and address from record requests of 10 or more records, accept the terms and conditions noted on screen, review applicable fees, and click Next. Enter your contact and payment information, then click Continue. Review the information on screen and click Confirm. Then click Continue to State Agency website. That's it! Your transaction is complete. Your new driver license should arrive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, you can print the receipt attached to your confirmation email and use it as a valid driver license until your new card arrives. Thanks for using Wisconsin DMV's online driver license application. For more information, visit wisconsindmv.gov.